Good evening once again. This is Green Points Online Learning, and this is chemistry class. My name is Shegun Rufai. We're looking at solubility. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to define a solute, solvent, solution, saturated, unsaturated, and supersaturated solution. Students should be able to explain solubility of different solutions, carry out calculations on solubility, list uses or applications of solubility. What is a solution? A solution is defined as a uniform or homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Solvent is a substance that is solvent, a solid. It could be organic, non-polar or non-polar solvent, such as benzene, ether, kerosene, petrol, or inorganic or polar solvents such as water. Solute. A solute is any solvent that dissolves in a solvent. Solute could be gas, liquid, or solid. Type of solution. One, true solution. A homogeneous mixture of two or more substances in which the solute has particle size less than 10 to 9 millimeter or 1 micronewton, or it is one in which the solid particles dissolve such that they are able to get in between the solvent particles. Particles of trisomere cannot be filtered through filter paper and are not visible to the naked eyes. Examples are sodium chloride, copper 6, and sugar solution. 2. False solution or colloidal solution. It is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solid particles are larger than particles of true solution, but not large enough to be seen by the naked eye. They easily pass through filter paper, e.g., colloids, e.g., starch, hot water, albumin, milk, milk emulsion, smoke, and protoplasm or living matter in cells. Type of colloids: salts and gels, aerosols, emulsions. Suspension. Suspension is a homogeneous mixture of undisclosed particles in a given medium, in which particle size of one or more components is greater than 1000 micronewton. Particles of suspension are big enough to be seen by the naked eye. Example: mud water and harmattan particles. Solubility curves. A solution can be saturated, unsaturated, or supersaturated. Solubility of a substance refers to the maximum amount of substance that can dissolve in a given volume of solvent at a certain temperature. We measure solubility of a substance by measuring the maximum mass of solute that can be dissolved in 100 grams of solvent at a given temperature. The relation between solubility and temperature can be expressed by a solubility curve. The solubility curve of several compounds are shown on the right. Such curves reveal the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in 100 grams of water over a range of temperature. Solubility increases as temperature increases, although there are exceptions. We can see from this curve that the solubility of sodium tricarbonate 4 increases as temperature increases. The same thing with calcium chloride until a certain point, and lead trans 5, except for cesium tetrachloride 6 that decreases as temperature increases. Calculation and solubility. Looking at the example 1, if 12.2 grams of lead trans 5 were dissolved in 21 grams of distilled water at 200 degrees C, calculate the solubility of the mole per dmk. Now, the first thing we do is that the formula is small m over big M. Our small m is 12.2 grams, while the big M is the molar mass, and that is 331 times 1000 cl